Do you have an LG washing machine that looks just like this? Are you putting too much soap in your machine? Well, stop doing that, because if your washing machine has a tendency to leak, it might just be because you're putting too much soap in the machine. You do not need to go ahead and fill this entire thing up with soap. Fill it up halfway, and you may just go ahead and stop your washing machine from leaking. Also, don't overfill the LG washing machine, as that too presents problems and can cause flooding.